Synergy Drishti's innovative system is unparalleled in its approach to managing fuel retail outlets. Not only does it streamline the operations of fueling stations and automate several tasks, but the entire Synergy Drishti system is extremely user-friendly. The crisp UI and UX is designed keeping simplicity and ease of use in mind. So complex instructions can be executed with just a few taps on the mobile. A special secondary app is made available for oil company dealers and officers in both Android and iOS platforms. So they can use it to monitor the retail outlets without any issues. The owner's app can also oversee shift closures and payment calculations. Being physically present in your fuel retail outlet is no more necessary. With the help of Synergy Drishti app, you can access your CCTV footages from anywhere. That is not all. You can supervise and control the operations as well, like view live fueling, monitor hardware status, and access MIS reports to study customer purchase pattern. The app also has other features like price pull, loyalty integration, push notifications, etc. to name a few. Synergy Drishti has robust industrial-grade and expandable forecourt controller. It can communicate to more than 100 makes of FCC and ATGs. In fact, you can wirelessly connect to all forecourt equipment like fuel dispensers, ATGs, price display boards and other devices. Plus, the entire system has power backup and has protection from power surges and voltage fluctuations. Another sleek feature of Synergy Drishti is its cost-effective and efficient ANPR system and image processing capabilities. With its help, you can get the car details, type of fuel, precise wait time, and consumers can even pre-order their fuel directly from the app. This feature itself makes half of your operations at fuel outlet hassle-free. The cameras also identify the DSMs before every fueling by built-in facial recognition algorithms. So DSMs can show their face instead of the tedious RFID tags to authorize fueling. This happens in less than a second. You can also take out reports DSM-wise for easier reconciliation or preparing shift summary. One of our new features is OTA updates. Unlike the old times where the engineer had to manually update the system with the changes, here new upgrades and features can be developed and installed remotely. Moreover, the entire system can be configured remotely with the help of its inbuilt interface. So, no more sluggish troubleshooting using third-party applications like AnyDesk or TeamViewer. Further, our data encryption ensures no data leaks. You can also save, upload and download logs remotely via a cloud system. Debug logs can also be set up remotely for short durations. And the best part is the entire system can work offline. So don't worry if there is no connectivity. Your fuel retail outlet will continue to operate as usual. All the data will be pushed to cloud whenever the connectivity is restored. Synergy Drishti is immensely flexible. You can connect it to local displays, customer engagement systems, POS and any other devices seamlessly. With its power-packed capabilities, Synergy Drishti empowers you to manage your fuel stations effortlessly and worry-free.